One of my favorite things to eat for lunch is salad. Nutritionists always say that you should eat the rainbow. Each plant has different phytochemicals, minerals, and fats, etc. I have some little gems that I'm going to put in as base. Tomatoes, pepperoncini, which is nice and spicy, best part of any salad if you ask me. Purple cabbage, lots of avocado for your healthy fats, and then beets, garnish with radish. So I have these really nice little Persian cucumbers that I love. They have such a good flavor. Just a nice simple dressing. This is Dijon and white wine vinegar and olive oil. I like to overdress my salads, but that's just me. Really fresh and light and delicious. Perfect.